Here I've got SHARP Aquos S2 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select application and authority and go to manage applications. Now click on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in upper corner, and then select the reset app preferences. Now if you truly want to do it, just be aware that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restriction. However, you will not lose any app data. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to perform this reset, click on Reset Apps. And that's it. This is how you can reset app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.